So the liquid level start to increase, and then it will lead to immediate delta P across the column will be increased.
Because your gas
So
will
I'm
not
saying-
pass.
Possible was liquid level will be increased.
So
There will
I'm
be
saying
high,
float outlet
static
on this
pressure there.
is stable, right?
Yes.
This can create a DPAH.
Yes.
And what will be the consequence? Consequence mean action is what? Do we have the trip or do you have?
No, we don't have any.
I use the product because this is the treated crude.
Yeah, we don't have high trip on this DPH,
Okay.
but we will have. What we will have is we lose the product because we already have SDB package, right?
Yes. So it will impact if DPH is high, it will impact your quality.
Yes,
Or it
it
will
will
impact what?
lead to loss of my product immediate because this is the final treated crude.
So ultimately loss of production loss, right?
Yes. And you can follow the hazard. I think the hazard can make it like that.
So here they are saying loss of this one. DPH, where is DPH? This one. Increase in level in the
I think this one we can say first it's going to be
Depot production.
first we can say it is a it's off spec and leading to deferred production as well.
Yes. Production, yes.
And also we have some internal damage if it's not designed against flooding.
So we'll say the same statement what we have taken in the HAJOP. So corrective action required. Operator has to investigate.
Okay, I think this is okay. Yes. See, an increase in level in the H2S leading to potential liquid carryover gas carryover. Right?
Guys, we are saying that
gas. Deeper
Yeah,
production pressure and level upset in H2S triple.
so
Yes.
Emmanuel, we are saying that operator needs to take action to avoid the blockage so
correct.
that DPS is maintained. Correct? This is the correct one.
No, not to maintain the DPH to
restore the healthy
restore
condition.
the
The healthy condition.
do not mention about maintaining.
By maintain healthy conditions.
Because we will have designed against normal delta P across this column.
Yes,
This is will be guarantee figure.
we should not have.